Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. You guys, you all need to stay safe and follow the necessary precaution. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Thank you for clicking on this thumbnail. If this is your first time, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you so much. And also thank you to my returning subscribers. You guys are just wonderful. And I also want to say thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. So guys, on this video today, I have started my spring cleaning, and I'm gonna be showing you, I'm gonna be taking you along while I clean and organize my fridge today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified once I post a new video. Thank you so much, and I do appreciate each and every one of you. Let's get into the video. So guys, this is the before of the fridge. This is how the fridge look. I'm gonna move everything out of the fridge and do a thorough cleaning. We're gonna be throwing some things away, and we'll clean some things and bring them back to the fridge. So over here the fridge is nicely clean, so we're gonna go ahead and bring everything back in, and we're gonna throw some things away too. So over there I have my Lazy Susan place up there. That Lazy Susan, I got it from Walmart, and over here is a tray from Dollar Tree, and I just placed some marbles in there to create another Lazy Susan. I do have a video of me organizing a fridge already on my channel. This was just a simple cleaning. It wasn't something serious, but you can check out that video. I'll leave the link on this video. And if you want me to make any organizing video, please feel free to let me know the kind of video you would love me to make. guys, this is a finished look. I do have 2 Lazy Susan up there. With the Lazy Susan, you can easily turn it around and you can easily reach anything that you want. So that's why I put those Lazy Susan up there. Over here is my juice container. This container is a lifesaver, guys. I got it from Walmart, but Amazon has it in case you don't have a Walmart in your area. This is very easy for the kids to reach. And over here I have my soda rack. The soda rack is from Dollar Tree. That was just from $1 each. And this is how I arrange my mushroom. I wash and clean it, put it in the fridge. It's very easy for me to quickly grab and use. So here's my soup. We Africans, we always have soup in the house in case we want to do a little bit of swallow. So over here, this is how I arrange my eggs, and that rag is from Dollar Tree as well. It's just $1 for one. Thank you so much everyone for watching. We have come to the end of this video, and I hope I got you inspired to start your spring cleaning as well. And I just want to say a big thank you to everyone, my returning subscribers. I want to say thank you to you watching me for the first time. I appreciate you stopping by, and please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I will see you guys on my next video. Until then, you guys stay safe and have a blessed day.